Take one.
I'd probably say patient, that's definitely.
Efo athro da, mae'n gwneud gwahaniaeth rhwng casau neu caru'r pwnc, dwi'n meddwl.
Yeah. I just think the school environment as a whole is like quite nice to be in.
They're sometimes kind and sometimes very serious.
And sometimes silly.
And sometimes funny and silly.
Weithiau mae nhw angen bod yn serious, ond hefyd mae nhw angen gallu bod fel cael laugh o stwff.
Athro neu athrawes da, rhywun sy'n cael banter.
Banter?
Banter gyda ni.
Ie. Fi'n hoffi rhywun sydd yn hwyl, ond hefyd sy'n gallu cadw rheolaeth dros y dosbarth.
You can see when you have a good teacher how much they impact on your day.
Dwi'n meddwl mae'n rhaid fod yn amyneddgar.
And like anyone that can actually make maths quite like an enjoyable lesson, also fair play to them, yeah.
Athrawes sy'n deall pwysau sydd ar y disgyblion.
And what makes her a good teacher that she's always nice to me. Probably because you're nice to her back. Yes.
If the class has been really noisy or something, tell them to calm down a bit.
A fel os fel gweud ti, ond dwi'n gwneud dosbarth. Oh, cheers. Mae'n gallu fel, ddim fel glwyddi allu. Mae'n os maen nhw'n dweud si dau waith y wedyn, maen nhw'n angen dweud trydydd gwaith, maen nhw'n dechrau gweud, ond hwnna beth i angen mewn athro.
Hey guys, get out. I'm dead now.
Diolch.